Well, it's probably a lot easier to hear me now. Is this? Oh, no. Wait a second. Wait just a doggone minute. Huh. Weird. Sorry, one of my audio devices is not working right. Oh, here we go. It's this audio input capture. We'll do defaults, and then we'll go back to this, and then it'll work, right? What? No? What the hell? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, remove. Yep. Let's add another one. Audio input capture. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What about now? I'm so confused. What the fudge? What the fudge is going on? Is it because it's busy? Oh, tell me it's not because it's busy. Really? Wait, okay, so wait a second. If I close this, we'll just pop back in. Oh my God, you're fucking kidding me, right? And if I start it up again, it's gonna fuck. Oops, we're on the wrong one. And so now, it's working this time. Okay, whatever. As long as it's working, that's all I give a shit about. Welcome! You can probably hear me a lot better now. Now there's two. This is a stereo. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to question it anymore. I'm just not going to question it. All right. So what do we got here? What's our damping at right now? Doesn't say. All right, let's respawn them. Let's go ahead and do a circle. Oh, should I use? What about this? Oh, I like that. I like that a lot, yeah. I'm just going to do the square spawn. I'm square anyway. So now, what we really still need is the ability to scale. Okay, let me see here. Sample, field, compression. It's going to fade in, fade out. I don't think it added. Yeah, okay, so we do not have our ability to scale yet. Oh, you know what? We're not actually hooked up to the... This isn't hooked up to the audio right now. Let's go here, now. It should be. No, god damn it. I didn't look at the fucking list. Is it 7 this time? Is it not even shown? Oh, wow, I can't even friggin' access it when I'm... Okay, well, you know what? Fine. 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 We will just not have it on. See if we can see our audio devices again. You know what? I'm so sure. Oh, this is on the wrong one. Okay. Well, we'll just reopen it. Okay. That's fine. Probably picking up better from the... Let's hook it up to the actual thing first. And now it shows up. So now we're getting audio in through our boom mic to the program, but oh, okay. Got it. All right. So I'll just turn that off. We'll run with just the Droid Cam OBS audio and the we can just repurpose our boom mic for the visualization, which is fine. So we do not have system audio yet, and I'm going to check my see. Chat is still empty, that's fine. Do I need to like click the button to be fucking come on? Let's just be live. Making sure it's not replaying the chat. All right, cool. Okay, cool. Cool beans. Let's see. We're gonna put us up to 8 sub-steps so we get nice smooth movement. Damping. Okay, so we're gonna turn our damping down. Oh, we're gonna change it to this and turn. Okay. This is fine for now. I don't get distracted by this at all while trying to work on it. That's not me. I would never do that. All right, so particle behavior more uniform in response to beat. Audio currently beat only. Haven't tweaked the note and octave weight. Okay. I guess I'll reference the code. Size deep out seconds. Pause and resize. Oh, I forgot about the per octave damping and stuff. Okay. Separate damping calculations per octave. I think I should keep track of this stuff down here. Almost none are represented in the adjustable at runtime. Easily skip over audio devices. I think I'm actually gonna bring this in also so that we keep all the related stuff together. Debug console simply used to instead of saying also, let's keep it more professional. Console simply used to display essentially notifications about various value changes. The only difference is the audio device selection menu. And even this is simply printed to the console rather than seeming like a menu with state. What is requested? Oops. Okay. All right, I will be right the hell back. I don't want to see if you throw your head off. I don't care. Like if you did that and I told you not to do it, I don't know. I don't want to know. Cause if you're tearing the head off of that duck, keep it on the low. Okay. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. Okay, menu state was requested. Addendum. Placeholder. So I think I should probably do W this. Let's go ahead, let's come back out of here. Let's go into here. And then I'm gonna go into the attempt to prompt and I'm gonna grab, let's see, structure research, GPU. Oh, okay. So we're gonna go here and we're just gonna copy all of this and the plans for improvement. Okay, I actually didn't even finish this and I gave it to him. I didn't even give a suggested solution for half of these things. Let's see. So we're gonna do this and we're gonna bring it up here. This is gonna be checklist of what was addressed from previous feedback. Okay, and then this here, and we're gonna go, whoops, we're gonna go here, and then go here, oops. Okay, cool. And we're gonna go here. Huh. Interesting. I'm gonna go here. I know that not all of these are checklist items, but it's easier just to do that. Oh, and by the way, if anyone's wondering how the fuck I'm doing these hops, well, I guess it's not really that impressive because I could just hit the down arrow, and you would think that would be better, but honestly, going like this, you know, this needs to get on up here a little bit. Honestly, going all the way over to the arrow keys over here is kind of a pain in the ass. Unless, I mean, especially if you have to look. But I mean, on a small keyboard like this, it's not so bad. But yeah, I'm actually gonna real quick hop down here. I'm gonna close this there. Here, under. Okay. So anyone wondering how I'm doing the hops? In this instance, oops. I hit the S key. This is my S key because I used Dvorak because I'm super special. This is gonna bring. Actually, I fucking lied. That's not my S key. This is a different version of it. I'll save that for a second for later. This, you see all the text goes kind of gray when I hit S. Kind of toggling it on and off now. This is jump mode. So if I wanted to go over here to where it says summarily, I could just start typing in some SUM. And you see that as soon as I type S, it highlights all the S's on screen, and I type U, and then all of a sudden I can jump anywhere on the screen where there is a S followed by a U by hitting the letter that you see in the colored box there. So if I hit J, I would jump down here, I go over here, so on and so forth. So I want to go over here, so I'm going to hit I, takes me there, and it takes you to where you started typing. So what that means is that if I wanted to instead hop into the middle of, let me see if I can find a typo or something. It doesn't matter. Let's say I just wanted to come over here and there's just some typos in here. And I was like, ah, crap. I want to get over there where that typo is, so I'm just going to type in IA and then go to the D, and then I can hit I, which is how you go to insert mode and start typing stuff. If you hit I, it takes you to before the place where you are. You have this box cursor here. If I hit I, it takes me before, and if I hit A, it takes me after. So I to go before, and then just there. Fixed. So in this case, I'm going to hit S, type in UN, go over here, and then I'm going to do that. And the cool thing, like, you can make macros, a lot of custom macros in Vim and NeoVim. So there's a couple of different ways you can use that. There's like a repeat mode, a dot repeat. So it'll repeat the last thing you did when you entered into insert mode. The last thing I did was make a checkbox. So that's what it will do. Just to be consistent, I'm going to put one here too, even though I don't think there should be one. Under B here, under W here. And under B here, GL, C here. Okay, here. Here. Okay. And then for here, I'm gonna oof. I don't know what I'm doing. I just pillow talking with a fish. Hey. That was a reference to that Little Dicky song, because it starts off with one of the lines is, I don't know what I'm doing. So when I said I don't know what I'm doing, it reminded me of that. And I just don't feel like doing the jumps anymore. I lied. Okay, something about what I was doing was wrong. Not sure what, though. Okay, let's put it here. Works. I actually think, you know what? I'm really glad that I autosave. I am so glad that I autosave. Holy crap. Okay. That's not gonna help me here. Wait, this is attempt 2 prompt. This is a different file. It just didn't save my session, so that's fine. Feedback list. Did we? We did. All right, we saved all of those fucking checkboxes. Okay, yeah, it saved everything. Wonder if it saved my... No, didn't save my dot repeat. I'm just gonna fast track this. Ah, okay. Now I'm gonna make this. Again, I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay. So shouldn't be any issues now. Yeah, I can scroll around just fine. That's a little bit of an issue. I think maybe I just forgot the top fence here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's what it was. I assume that's what the issue was. And if I do this, if I go here, will it? Oh, how do I check it? I mean, there's always this, but okie doke. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to check on these separately, but at least I have all right. Oh, almost none of the tunable parameters adjustable at runtime. Still cannot find a working system audio that captures the audio output that can work with the audio output by the system. i.e., if I play music on my computer, the visualization does not seem capable audio back end of the no, I spelled it wrong. It's not have any obvious method of interaction with it. Okay. Okay. Addendum. There is also no way, given lack of aforementioned state-based let me finish the sentence. To tell which audio source is active is okay. Oof. Okay. Okay. Time to switch up the fields. What do we got for a field here? Beetle daddle deedle doodle doodle. This one's pretty cool. If I can actually get music playing, this one was one of my favorites, this field. It's very, very cool. Yeah. Yeah. Maximum. I guess I can turn the volume up to maximum. Might as well, honestly. Might as well. See if I can here take away those. Hopefully this isn't like blowing up. What's too big? Don't. You know you don't. You're not supposed to drag. Thank you. You know you're not supposed to drag blankets across the floor. If you can help it, at least. Huh? Container. Where books are. Okay. Um, or in, I should have said, since the USB V, no. My USB microphone still works like a microphone, even when the audio source goes system. Okay, there's that. Wait.
I was waiting over here.
You're gonna go wait in your room for the juice because you ran across the house and yelled at me for it. No.
Why?
Thank you. Jeez. Cheese and crow. Okay. Okay. It's hard to tell. Mic. This one is any different. Okay. Got it. Change it up. Not that there's any audio coming through anyway, but let's change it up. All right. Oh yeah, this one's a good one. It really needs a lot of audio to work though. Maybe I can just turn, I'll just turn the damping down. Wow. Okay. There we go. All right. That's a little much. Let's see. Better. Yeah, better. Much better. Okay. And that's system. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Wait a second. Why? It's so absolutely lame. It's so fucking lame. If it redoes this, it's so fucking lame. It is gonna redo it actually. Put everything back. Okay. I actually think we need to close. Wait. There needs to be a closing thing here. Right? Yeah. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? We got the closing thing. All right, cool. Cool beans. You're fucking joking me, right? I don't need an extra fucking random fence at the end of my thing. Why are you doing this? Why is it red? Huh. Riveting. Is it this? It is. Interesting. Wait a second. It's just one of these red? Oh, okay. So it makes it into a header? So weird. A particle behavior more uniform. And so, okay. Particles aren't clearly differentiated, at least not enough, based on their activation energies. I would expect particles that aren't currently being activated be wait, I can do it from here. I need to get on there anyway. Let's do this. C remote act I will explain all of that someday. Essentially, if I want to surround text with anything, quotes, parentheses, brackets, doesn't matter what it is, anything. There's a couple different ways I could do it. I could like mouse over a word if I wanted to just do one word, and I could just do space SA. Wait, space SAW. No, huh? There's a way to do it. S-A. I actually think it is supposed to be W. Let's see what else we have. Let's tell me. Huh. I word and then do this. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna do. So space S I word. Space S. Oh, IW. This? Oh, I don't even know. What did I even do? Space S A I. Oh, W. This. Okay, cool. So the logic here is I'm doing space to bring up my like secondary set of keyboard commands, and then S to start a surround operation. A to add surrounding, and then I to specify an inner object, which will make sense when you start using Vim, which of course anyone listening to this will obviously want to do that, totally. And then W is word. So I did space to access this, so I did add surrounding, or surrounding, add, inside word, and then, you know, and it could be anything, spaces A-I-W, it could be this, it could be space S-A-I-W, space A-I-W, I could do sixes, just whatever you want, or I could do S-A-I-W, and then hit the question mark, and then I could do like, fug you, yeah, and then no really, and then that would put fug you on one side and no really on the other, right? And then if I wanted to do like a span of text, then I'd put my cursor where I wanted to start, space SA, and then I can actually hit the E key to target the end of words. And I can do that just randomly too. If I'm just moving around and I hit E, it'll let me target and jump to the end of any word here. So if I want to go down to the microphone down here and I hit E, I see I need to hit the O key. So if I hit the O key, it takes me to the microphone, the end of microphone. And the same thing goes for B, although the jump labels are not in the right spots. They should be over the M and stuff, but if I hit A, it'll still take me there. Just something I need to fix up in my configuration at some point. Gonna be right back, checking on the daughter. What do you want? More juice? Well, switch up. All right, let's see. That one's pretty cool. We'll stick with that one for a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so am I getting like notifications? What the fuck is this noise? Let's see. I need. Where the fuck is the thinking guy? Think. I like this new emoji mood thing in Facebook. It's pretty fun. That's when it works, at least. There we go. So more tunable parameters. No rest of running time. Okay, so no way to adjust scale despite requesting zoom and pan capability.
Oh, no, not want because
What do you mean, sweetie?
I cold.
You're cold? Do you want to go cover up with your blanket?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you want Daddy to come cover you up? I think she wants Daddy to come cover her up. Oh, this one's looking pretty good. I like this. I may make it a little bigger because this kind of doesn't have enough space to really... There we go. That's a little better. I'll be back. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just like he found a niche, and that's just he's just like, oh my god, Jesus Christ. Okay. Bum 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 bum. What? How the hell did that happen? So weird. Huh. Interesting. Okay. What am I doing? Where am I going here? Oh. Was not specific, but this was meant to be a mouse controlled feature. Okay. I feel like I could probably organize this better, but that's almost always the case with everything that I do in my whole life, so I'm not gonna not gonna think about it too much. Sheesh. I wonder. Let me go to. my fucking stream here. I'm just gonna see. Oh, there's plenty of audio here. Wait. Oh, it's because it's fucking muted. Oh, cool. Jesus Christ. Okay. What? How the hell did that happen? Okay. Go on. Just checking to make sure there was audio that actually worked. And realizing that I had somehow like butt dialed my friend's boyfriend while they were asleep this morning somehow, I think. But I don't understand how that happened because I was asleep and my phone was on the fucking floor. This is weird. That's some weird shit right there. Okay, anyway. So I'm gonna change the thing again. Yeah. Oh, this one looks good here. I think it might look better if I had actual note detection set up. Yeah, this one's cool. I like this one. I'm gonna need more damping on that. There you go. That's pretty good. All right. And similarly, unable to just scale proportion. Particle. Jesus. Let me just reword this. Similar. I was gonna say in a similar vein. In a similar vein, particle size cannot. Does not automatically. Is it adjust? Just when resizing the window, meaning that as the render area gets smaller, each particle takes up the same amount of space. As a result, making the window smaller also obscures most of the detail and ends up looking a bit garish. this ratio feels proportional relationship ratio used to represent this proportional relationship should also be configurable within the comprehensive debug menu. I'm gonna just nail this and like just hammer this over this entire prompt every time I mention the debug menu. The state, it's gonna be comprehensive state-based debug menu. And then we're going to find all of debug. Next one, actually we're going to do vi word, this, comprehensive state-based debug menu. And then we're going to get it again, because I know it's going to have it here. Whoops. There. Oops. Sort of state-based. And then next. Oops. Next. The word here. And then comprehensive state-based debug menu. Oh shit, I forgot to do menu capitalized. Okay. Next. Oh, that's all of them. Really? Comprehensive state-based. What's that, Winter?
I can't set this back in.
Oh, it's okay. I'll fix it for you.
I come over here.
Okay, I'll bring it to you, baby. She unzipped the pillowcase. She's like, I can't zip this up right here. You can do whatever you want. Take you to wash your hands right now. You're just gonna get them dirty in 5 seconds. And I don't know how I feel about getting you to wash your hands so that you can do that. Seems a little counterintuitive. Okay. Oh wait, I'm all the way up here now. Gotta go down. So, oh yeah. Why is this broken up? Oh, I know why. This, GQ. Should fix everything. There we go. I love this program. Oh, I thought it ruined my checkboxes for a minute. I was like, I hate this program, actually. But no. Why? Is he gonna put him back there? Why? There's no need to do that. There's no need to put those fences there. Hi, Winter. You kind of.
Tired.
You tired?
Yeah, I
Don't hang on the doorknob like that.
Marshmallow?
Not for you.
These?
Those are from the camp. Those are to toast. They're not for you to eat randomly at this late at night. I don't know why they're in here. That's true. I don't know why they're in here. I'll go put them in the cabinet. So they're not in front of you, at least. Yeah, you're not getting one. Hey, why even stop?
Okay.
No. Um. Okay. Okay. You know what? I think I'm just done with I'm just not gonna fence them because there's always just always something going on here. Okay, any more? Yep. So there's another one around here somewhere. Or wait, is that just because? No. Oh, there it is. Another one. And another one? Oh, that's just because these are... Okay, let me just make sure there's no more. It's gonna like... Okay, down here. Okay, and now I can take this off and I can come out of this, and it shouldn't save me back into a fucking bunch of fences. Cool. Alright, this time...
I want a popsicle. I want a popsicle.
A popsicle, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Popsicle. Cool. Okay. Hopefully I don't forget about that popsicle right there. Because that's not going to go well. What the fuck is going on Yep. Rearranging. It's like everything happened all at once. What the fuck is going on? People rising in the streets. The wars, the drought. Chat. Ah. Okay, will it work? It will! I can just have my own little chat here. I don't even have to keep the fucking thing open. That's cool. Koala, if you will. All right, so I don't need that anymore. Apparently, I needed that. Oh wait, no, never mind. And then docs, stats, YouTube Live control panel. Are you serious right now? Are you for serious? Are you for serious? Like serious? You serious business? Okay, let's just go ahead and I don't think that's visible anywhere on screen. Let's just move that away from the keyboard. Okay. Maybe humans wouldn't be able to figure out what I'm typing, but I'm sure an AI will be able to. So let's just not risk it. Gonna have to look it up. Look it up. Okay. That's not it. That's it. Okay. Oh my fucking god. That's a good thing. It's sorry for yelling in anyone's ear who is watching. Probably not anybody watching. Still. If I had been a little more challenged there, I would have just revealed my password to my goddamn Google account, which would not have been good. Yep, it is. What do you got? Okay. Should be all set. Oh my fucking god. I don't have a recovery email. I don't need a recovery email. I don't want one. Can I save it? Thank you. I don't need one. Not now. Jesus H. Not now. Am I going to get my control panel anytime? Sometime, please? There. This stream is what?
When we watched it first start.
What's that?
When we watched it first start.
What you were watching stopped?
Yep.
I think I fixed it. Let's go check. Why wouldn't it be a piece of dried Play-Doh? But there's nothing wrong with having dried Play-Doh dry on the... Well, with Play-Doh, having Play-Doh dry on the ground. It's normal. It normally stabs holes in my fucking feet. Okay. Okay. I don't know what that is. Okay, got a weird notification. It's all good. Okay. You know, I might just go ahead real quick and change the name of the stream so it's a little less a little more descriptive.